Welcome to English in a Minute. Many animals have horns. They use them to fight other animals.
Lock horns.
We shouldn't use red letters in our proposal. Red says wrong or emergency, emergency.
We should definitely use red, Anna. It catches the eye.
Look, let's not lock horns over these little things.
You're right. When the project really starts, we'll have much bigger things to fight over.
Imagine two large bulls fighting. They strike each other. Then their horns lock. To lock horns with someone means to fight or argue about something. You can lock horns in many situations, and it usually is not very pleasant or fun. And that's English in a Minute.